B9.5 SQ5 at the dealer for new short block piston skirt issue. Any parts to replace, services you recommend while the engine is out. 50,000 miles. Previous customer got long blocks, but not anymore. It's tough, being that you're at the dealer. But yeah, I would say rods, pistons, head studs.
Right.
That would be the way to go. But the dealership's not going to touch that, obviously.
So are they doing short blocks now? I guess.
That's what he's saying that.
He's now getting a short block. I'm sorry, I missed that part of the beginning. Yeah.
Which makes sense. There's nothing wrong with the heads or anything like that. You don't need to change those.
I mean, you can have them maybe take a peek at your rocker arms if you're concerned about those.
Yeah, that's true.
They literally have to take all the cams and stuff out anyway to pop the heads off.
Yeah, and there's some updates on those parts too. So yeah, I would definitely recommend bringing up the rocker arms. That's a great point. If they would install our 11 mil head studs, that would be nice.
Yeah, if they're up first,
that would kind of future-proof you for pushing up to like a stage 3. But yeah, and then again, the dealership's not going to want to do any of our stuff. So I think it's good that you're getting your short block replaced under warranty. That's good to hear. Yeah. They're probably not going to want to do any other aftermarket parts, though.
No. But yeah, have them look at the rocker arms.
Yeah.
That'll be a good one to get in there.